Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024. From our studios in Jimit, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at some developments in the Atlantic Ocean, here we have Dominica in that green circle here. We also have Hurricane Cook out in the central Atlantic Ocean and Tropical Depression number 13, which developed at 2 p.m. today. Now, this is the projection for Hurricane Cook, as is expected to become a major hurricane and move off over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. You can see Dominica in that red circle here. And also the projection for Tropical Depression number 13, which is presently moving in a westerly direction, expected to become a tropical storm and then a hurricane as it continues or is expected to continue over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. None of these systems poses any threat to any land at this time. Now, taking a look at earlier satellite imagery, here we can see the convection associated with Hurricane Cook as it continues basically in a northwards direction over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. And out here we have convection associated with Tropical Depression number 13 out in the far eastern Atlantic Ocean. Now, closer to home, you can see a relatively dry atmosphere around the region of Dominica so far, and with some blow-ups of convection just off to the south or over the islands to the south of Dominica. And this is in association with a trough system due to the presence of Hurricane Cook. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with these systems, here we can see some significant moisture associated with Hurricane Cook as it continues in a northward direction over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. And here we can see some of the moisture associated with that trough generated by the presence of Hurricane Cook. And out here we can see the moisture associated with Tropical Depression number 13. Now, a reduction in sarin dust can be seen in the region of the Atlantic Ocean due to the presence of these systems. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery, some pockets of showers or localized showers can be seen around the region or around the islands of the Lesser Antilles during the afternoon, and also some showers can be seen off to the east. Therefore, we can expect to see some shower activity continuing with possible isolated thunderstorms during the next 12 hours or so. Now, tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy with a few brief showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms. And tomorrow, the weather is expected to be fair to occasionally cloudy with some scattered showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorms mainly during the afternoon period. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate with waves picking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide tomorrow will be at 3:42 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:34 a.m. and 10:05 p.m. Again, for the next 3 days, which is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we can expect to see similar conditions during the next 3 days, with conditions being fair to occasionally cloudy with some scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon period, with high temperatures continuing throughout the next 3 days and light winds and coming from variable directions. Now, we are advising people to stay cool and hydrated as a result of these high temperatures expected throughout the next 3 days. Now, sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:55 a.m. and sunset will be at 5:53 p.m. Please remember that we're still in the hurricane season. Stay informed and be prepared. And also like us, follow, share, subscribe on our social media platforms or visit our website at weather.gov.dm. See you again on Friday for another weather broadcast. Stay safe.